I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gmail where the Signed In account appears. If you aren't already, sign in now with the account you want to remove so settings are accessible. Make sure you're on a secure network and note the exact email address. This helps avoid deleting the wrong account. Once signed in, go straight to your avatar or profile icon in the top right. This is the control point that lets you manage or remove accounts quickly. You'll see a list of accounts after tapping the avatar. This is where removal begins. Click Manage Accounts on this device on Android or Account Settings in a browser, then choose the account you want to remove. On a desktop, use Sign Out of All Accounts, then sign back into those you want to keep. On mobile, use Remove Account to delete it from the device. Doing this removes local access without deleting the Google account itself. You must confirm the removal when prompted. That final click removes local access to that Gmail account. After removing, restart the Gmail app or the device to clear cached credentials and ensure the account no longer appears. If the account persists, make sure your Gmail app is updated, clear app cache, or remove the account from a browser under Google Account Settings. If you see error messages, check your internet connection and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.